This is my Ellie girl. She turns 5 months in like 3 days. She's been bouncing all day. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty princess. Hi. She loves this one. Show Mama how you jump. Jumpy, jumpy. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. She loves it. Look, I'm taping Ellie. Do you want me to tape you? I gave Carter a Mickey Mouse sticker and he loves it. Is that cool? He loves his sissy. He's always giving her kisses. Oh, that's so sweet to give your sissy kisses. Do you love your sissy? Is that your brother? Is that your brother? Yeah. You love your brother? Look at that cute boy.